vehicles that are on offer. Was that a McLaren? McLaren. No front plate. We won't mention it to anybody this time. 570S. You gotta have a bit in the wallet to get one of these bad boys. With the orange details going around the outside as well. Crazy. And of course we have our finest photographer.
Not quite the finest because I left the cap on. So. My bad. Hey
What's
guys.
going on? Welcome back. We are at this month's Tanoshi event. It's March 2024. It's a Japanese sort of JDM special event. There's also the addition of some American muscle, some European cars. So we're just gonna go check it out and show you guys what's good.
Yeah, let's get to it.
All right. What is this I can see poking out this evening? This is the sort of stuff you can expect to find at the Tanoshi events. Let's keep going. This thing is straight out of Forza Horizon. What have we got here? What's this bad boy? Big Mustang. Hello. It's Sammy here, people. Jazz is behind the camera right now. We are both on a mission to go and find the nicest R34 Skyline GTR that we can see. And along the way, we'll have a look at all the amazing vehicles that are on offer. Was that a McLaren that just pulled in? I think we should go check that out right now. Let's go. What I love about these events is that you can really see how much energy everyone puts into these cars, and like, no matter what background you're from, what class of car you have, everyone is respected the same way. So, we've already brought you the line of Mazdas. But as we said, we're on a mission to find the nicest R34s. Cars are pouring in by the second, guys. Everything is coming in right now.
Just don't know what corners to turn.
Let's venture down this way. Let's see what we can find.
I'm sorry, that deserves its
The
own
Easter
video.
Bunny himself has turned up today. Is this a Ford Escort? Robocop has just entered the venue, people. This thing is stunning. We've got a lot to go through. Oh my god, people, we've got a Mustang GT 500.
Hey, they're bringing it to glory. Really? Oh my god, that's a nice.
We have ourselves a Dodge, a Royal Green Mustang. It's almost Transformers spec, I'll tell you that much. The green SS UK. Yeah, it's unreal, guys. We've travelled up to Cobham service station just to get a load of some of this action. Let's delve into some more. What the hell is that thing on the back of it? Is that for aerodynamics? Is that a spoiler upgrade? Oh, it's for us. Okay, so you can put a camera on it.
Put a camera on the back of it. When you're driving down the road, you sort of push it back.
Amazing.
Most of the time, you put like an instant 360 on it.
Okay. Look at this. Vinny Car Media.
It's so polished as well.
No, I can just about get my fingers under. Oh, and there goes a Mustang nearly running me down. Any thoughts so far?
It's our first time here and definitely won't be our last. I saw one sort of emerald green car earlier. I'm on the lookout for some more because it is my favourite car colour and I know I will find some.
Look at that green.
That's what I'm talking about. Wave hello.
Oh wow, people, we've got a Nissan GTR.
Oh my god.
We got the Midnight Club. So nice I had to show you twice. Right here, right here. Oh, the DeLorean.
Oh guys, I've been waiting for
It's
this
pulling
one. I've
in.
been waiting for this.
Back to the Future has just arrived. Jesus, guys.
Guys, it's a freaking DeLorean. What are you talking about? This place is incredible. So many people, more than I expected. I'm stumped for words.
It's just an unreal sense of community here, guys. And everybody is so nice. Everyone is just trying to check out each other's cars. There's not really a whole huge amount of showboating going on.
Yeah, you don't need to have a done-up car yourself. You know, the event is actually free, but there's so many different types of people here. I don't know about the ins and outs, you know, of the engineering of cars and all of that, but I just have a love for cars and beautiful looking cars as I do photography. But I can say I definitely will, well, we definitely will be coming to
We'll be coming back for
this
sure.
event again.
Before we leave you, let's give you a look around of my fully modified German whip. Here we have my stock spec C200K Mercedes. So guys, I'm just going to give you a breakdown of my modifications, okay? He never used to be there. I put him there myself. He never used to be there. I'm kind of a mechanic myself, guys. Check out the spoiler. I immediately noticed 80 more horsepower after installing this bad boy.
Can it get any bigger? Oh yeah. 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10. Would come again. And we will be coming again.
So we're heading back now. We've spent a good 2-3 hours here.
Yeah.
What an incredible event.
It was unreal, guys. We have seen all of the cars that we spend our time looking up on YouTube, or as Jazz said, when I'm on Auto Trader. We've seen them all today. It was absolutely unreal. All of the drift cars you could think of, classics like the flipping DeLorean that you saw. I didn't even know that was going to be here today. So it has been a crazy, crazy event. I want to give a shout out to my friend Matt that accompanied us here. And yeah, it has been unreal.